Some people don't see the beauty of the bridge, but me and Finn both like the bridge.
As a kid, I was always thinking, like, how is a bridge possible? How can they make legs in the water? I try my best to go over the McDonald's as much as I can. I liked how the bump slowed us down, so I could have more time on it.
Every time that we were replacing a segment, there was a young person who was tweeting out about the project as it was going on and actually would stay up through the whole segment replacement. And at the end of it, he was tweeting out, "Thank God that we were finished so that he could go to bed."
My teachers took me out one night to see it, and we did see a lot of stuff of it, but we didn't actually get to see them moving the pieces.
Replacing the deck of a bridge while keeping it in service to traffic. It's only the second time it's ever been done in history. Probably the most technically challenging thing I've ever been involved in. Both Hunter and Finn have been following the job closely. They're rooting for us. They want us to be successful.
We usually don't let young people out onto the bridge for safety reasons, so we'll be keeping a close eye on them.
I've been wanting to go on that bridge for a long time now, and when I woke up today, I was excited. I couldn't wait till tonight to see the bridge.
Tonight would be more of a special time on the bridge because that's when the bridge is not open to the public. It's a big thing. If you see it in person, it's nothing compared to seeing it in a picture.
I'm gonna try to work on them talking tonight.
The night I saw him first, he was just shy, just like I, quite frankly, was. Hopefully today, one of us will manage to say a word to each other. I think we both have to be less shy.
If you guys have any questions, if you see anything you're wondering about, feel free to ask us anything you want.
You guys will be the youngest people that have been out there to see this.
Our workforce has been made aware that we're going to have visitors, and they just so happen to be 12 years old.
I've never walked on the bridge before.
Me either.
I've never even touched it. I want to get a picture of the tower when I'm right at it. Oh, I just feel...
Oh my.
This is scary.
So the temporary deck connection has probably been released.
I can't see.
I can't see.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh my.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, that's... Yeah, that ladder was shaking when someone was climbing it. I would not...
I wouldn't be able to do that.
Have you ever been up that ladder?
Yeah. Believe me, if I went up the ladder, it bounced a lot.
Oh.
But it's not a problem.
Two kids as site supervisors.
Yeah.
That'd be sweet.
Are you doing all right?
Yeah. It seems like the cold makes me yawn. Don't fall asleep on me. Okay.
Yeah.
Finally. It's happening.
It's hooked.
Finally. It's up.
What do you think, man? Pretty wild, huh?
Whoa. Those walls are like the height of a house.
Oh my god.
It's coming close.
It's gonna be closer. It's gonna get ya.
The McDonald Bridge, the old bridge, it's just central to our lives here, so I think it's natural that people feel a bit of an emotional connection to it.
Yeah.
You ready to go now?
When do you want to go?
When do you?
Maybe like a few minutes.
Yeah, let's go in a few minutes. The amount of time they spend on working on the bridge at night, it's amazing. I hope to get to know Finn a little bit better now.
Maybe we'll be a new friend since he likes the bridge like I do.
Thanks.
Coming out.
I'm pretty thankful for this happening tonight.